How to find ticket number on Qatar Airways. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can find ticket number on Qatar Airways. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end, alright? So the first step or the first thing to do is to log in into your Qatar Airways account. Once you're logged in, you can always check if you received an e-ticket through your email. Now the thing is that after booking a flight and making payment, automatically your ticket number will be sent to your email. Okay, so let's say for example you click on book a flight tab, and then you can see the kind of flight you want. You selected the kind of flight you want, you selected the date you're leaving, and then your arrival date has been selected as well. Then you've selected the kind of class you want and etc, and then click on search flight, and then after searching for the flights, you got the flights you wanted and you made payment. Now after making payment, and the ticket number will be sent automatically to your email, and then your ticket number will be 13, and for example it could just be like 1572, it could be any kind. Okay, and if you have multiple tickets within the same booking, the Qatar Airways would include a suffix to it to differentiate them before between each ticket. All right. So that is the first way, and then the second way is by click on manage a booking. Now to do that, you have to go back to Qatar Airways, and then once you're on the home page, by the time you scroll down, you can see some tabs including book a flight, Qatar stopover, manage or check in, and then you can input your booking reference and then your last name. And then once you've done that, you'll be directed to the page where you see all of your flights. Select the flight, whose ticket number you want, follow the screen number, and from there you would get your ticket number. And another way is if you can't find your e-ticket, or maybe you booked through a travel agent, you can just contact Qatar Airways or your booking agent to request your ticket number. And how do you contact Qatar Airways? Move to the top right corner, click on the help option, and then go ahead and ask your questions, and then you would be fine. So this is how it works. This is how you can find your ticket number on Qatar Airways. Thanks for watching and have a good day.